Hi, I'm Lydia from In Harmony Arts and Wellness, and today I'm going to be doing a family-friendly sun salutation yoga flow with you. So to make this more accessible for kids of all ages, we're going to be leaving out the chaturanga, if you're familiar with that movement in the sun salutation series where you lower down kind of like a half push-up. So we're going to be leaving that out so that this is more kid-friendly and just age-appropriate for their bodies. So I'll show you how we're going to go right from down dog into our up dog, and we'll do a few versions of a sun salutation A, and then we'll do a few of a sun salutation B. So go ahead and grab your kiddos, roll out your mats if you have them. If not, that's totally fine. And let's get moving together. So you're going to come to the top of your mat, take a big breath in and bring your hands to your heart. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, reach your arms up like sun rays. Exhale, bring your sun rays all the way down to the earth. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, lower your hands, step your feet back into your downward facing dog. Inhale, drop your hips right down, lift your gaze up. Exhale, lift your hips back up into downward facing dog. Inhale, step your feet forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up like sun rays. Exhale, bring them down to your heart. This time we're going to do the same thing, but if you want to hop back, you can hop both feet back and try that out. Inhale, sweep your arms up like sun rays. Exhale, send your hands all the way down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, plant your hands, step or hop your feet back, and then we're going to send the hips right back into down dog. Inhale, drop your hips down, lift your gaze back, bend. Exhale, send your hips back, downward facing dog. Inhale, step or jump to the top of your mat, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, bring them down to your heart. We're going to do one more round just like that. Hopefully you're feeling a little more warm in your body. This time, see if you can really link each movement with your breath. Here we go. Inhale, lift your arms up like sun rays. Exhale, come all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step or jump back, and then lift your hips right up into down dog. Inhale, lower your hips, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step or jump to the top of your mat. Look up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. All right, this time we're going to do a variation of sun salutation B. So start out by lowering your hips down like you're sitting in a chair. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, make your sun rays and fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step or hop back. Send your hips up, down dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, place your foot between your hands. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, come right back down. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, place your foot between your hands. Inhale, lift your arms, really reach. Exhale, lower your hands. Step back, downward facing dog. Take a big breath in and out. Inhale, come to the top of your mat. Look up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sit your seat back down and reach your arms up. Chair pose. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. All right, we're going to go through that same series one more time. Inhale, send your hips back. Reach your arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step or hop back, and send your hips up. Take a big breath in and out. Inhale, reach your right leg up. Exhale, place your foot between your hands. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, bring them down. Inhale, step back. Exhale here. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, place your foot between your hands. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, step back. Exhale here. Now let's just lower the knees down. Come to sit on your heels or cross your legs. And then just come into a comfortable seat. Bring your hands to your heart and let's take 3 deep breaths together. Close your eyes and just notice how you feel. Maybe you feel a little bit more heat in your body. Maybe you feel a little more awake. Maybe you feel tired. There's no right or wrong. Just notice how you feel. And then slowly open your eyes up. You can wiggle your fingertips and your toes and just find a little movement. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. You can do a few more of those if you want to keep going. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to this channel. We have content for families, kids, and adults. And make sure to share this with anyone else you think would enjoy it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.